So what we're doing here is we're just cleaning our rods so that we can prepare to put in our rod bearings. We don't want to have no debris. We got us some gloves, we got us some brake clean, we got us microfibers, and found some good deals. Went ahead and went to Ollie's. Don't know if you have Ollie's where you're at, but we was spending all kinds of money getting stuff from Harbor Freight and other auto parts stores. When we went in, found us some non-chlorinated brake clean from Ollie's and some nice microfiber towels, $10, and then $3 flat for the brake clean, which that's a really good deal. 55 microfiber towels, about 8 to 10 inches. You may not care too much about that information, but hey, I like to save $1 where I can, especially when you're putting all kinds of money into your hot rod. But we're just pretty much just cleaning everything up. We're going to spray our rag and we're going to clean where our bearing is going to sit until the rag it stays white when you wipe it. So that's just what we're doing here, and hope you enjoy the video. That's all we got for today. Just stick along. We got plenty of stuff in the future. Our block's probably still about another week out. He said he should get to it tomorrow or today. Today's Thursday the 6th. He should be getting to it today or tomorrow, at least getting it on the rack, and it shouldn't take too much longer after that. So stick around, hope you enjoy the video. That's it for today. Now sit back and enjoy our heavy metal riffs. Thank you for watching.